What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Everyday with Wood. Today we're gonna be doing fried drumsticks, macaroni, baked beans, and these are the seasons we're using today. Yeah. So I'm gonna fry the drumsticks. Peaches, what made you get drumsticks today? Huh? What made you get drumsticks? I thought you get we used to eat chicken wings. Oh, you being cheap? That's how you did the Uncle. What if we supposed to get some Uncle John sauce?
Also, we already did. Oh yeah. Your people done told you that.
No, I
they
seen
had
the
the
video.
Uncle John sauce.
No, I seen that video. Your video, I ain't know.
There was Uncle John, and they wasn't sold out. But I got this because I was being cheap, and also you don't cook wings. We love chicken wings. Well, I love chicken wings, but the kids like drums as well. You think I should have paid $6 for them, or you think I should have went to the meat store and got them for $3?
They used to be like $4 or something like
That's
that.
at the meat store, but I went to Walmart.
Well, they look. They ain't.
They ain't big.
They ain't that big, yeah.
Which
I don't
one like big ones?
Yeah, them shot with steroids. So this is what we working with. All right.
Okay, do this homework. Come over here.
All right, I'm finna rinse them off. All right, finna rinse the chicken off. I need to find a bigger bowl so I can season.
Mommy, look at my homework, Mommy. My homework, Mommy. Look at my homework.
This ain't much coming off this.
Oh my God, you did such a good job. Look, you made a number 7, and then the 1. Your homework.
All right, everybody, I already got all my meat rinsed off. Chicken. Just finna start season salt. Choice. Garlic salt.
Gold, black.
Putting too much. So you get your chicken looking gold. Onion powder. All right, let me mix it all up. All right, let's warm the grease up. I almost forgot. Add this. This how you get it look. Add this. Get it a little crispy. Stay together. Should be enough. Now let's mix it up. Already got it mixed good. Wash my hand off. All right, y'all. Finna pull my grease.
Mommy, look at my homework.
And I'm using canola oil. I think I'm gonna pour a lot because I'm gonna deep fry. And this pan take a lot. That shit was disgusting. And I ain't gonna season my flour. I put enough season on mine so that I don't have to season my flour. Some people like to season their flour. I don't. I hardly ever do it. They gonna come out golden crispy. All right, let's just get some more season. I meant flour. All right, I'm finna use water for my macaroni. I forgot what I was cooking that fast. And me, I don't care how much, it don't matter how much water you pour. Everybody cooking look different from each other. All right, got my water boiling. Gotta turn it on first. Wrong stove. Right, get my pot. I'm still waiting on my grease to start boiling. All right, my grease is hot now. Let's go ahead and add this chicken. I thought it was hot. Popping like it's hot. I'm gonna wait, see. You ain't sizzling enough. Oh, the chicken come out perfect. It's okay. I may add a couple on in here, probably 5. I want to come out looking perfect. Hey, let's take a look at them. I know if it's too soon yet. I ain't gonna mess with it. Let me just let it. It smells good already. Oh, I messed it up. Chicken ain't coming out right. Yeah, like those flowers. It's alright. I messed up. Still look good though. Think about it. Still look good, dude.
No, but you know, you feel about it.
Nah, they ain't doing good. Yeah. Next one gonna come out looking better. We still cooking. Alright, take the rest of these out. It's my second batch. These should come out better. You keep chicken the camera.
You done with your homework?
Yeah, no chicken right there.
Daddy said you wrote on my bed. You had wrote on my bed. If you ain't no fire, I was right on my bed. With a permanent marker.
Alright. What's up? You don't buy the other one?
What?
What's the rest of them?
I put kids smell like a man.
You gotta turn that on.
Huh?
Whoever listening.
I just talk over it.
Yeah.
So now I'm dropping 3 boxes of noodles. Like, that's all I do. I talk over it.
Now I'm dropping 3 boxes of noodles. Dropping 4 cans of poker beans. Got the chicken, you gotta let these fry a little longer, especially when they big like this, the drumstick. That's all I'm at. Like, they done, I know they done, because they busting open. Last batch. I'm finna drain my noodles. Alright, I'm gonna take my last batch out. That chicken came out messed up today, but I know it's good though. Keep this one up a little longer. Right, I can turn my baked beans over to them. Start fixing the plate. In a little second, the last chicken come out.
That's like the spoon that drains.
Alright, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and comment down below if you're gonna do this dish or you like this dish. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Mom.
Baby.
Yes. So y'all, Daddy just finished cooking lunch for us, white boy. Very, very simple, easy dish. Y'all, make sure y'all check out Every Day with Wood to see exactly how he made it. This skin was calling my name. Man, babe, you seasoned it. Daddy's, look at that. He did that. All right, everybody, this is how the kids' plates look. This is our oldest. This is Choice, Baby, McIntyre, Gorgeous, and we have a lot of food left over. Daddy's already eating his plate, and I done dog mine as well. So we have 5 pieces of chicken left if anybody else want more chicken. And then we have more baked beans and more macaroni. So we cook more than enough food to feed our kids.